Hi, this is Gordon Day with Team Day, and I am in Nature Trail today. This is the second day of the Parade of Homes for 2015. I'm at Ricky Wiggins Builder's house, and you can see as you walk up to the house, you have these gorgeous looking pavers, brick pavers in the front driveway. Nice large driveway, gives you more than enough room to get your cars in here. Two-car garage, oversized garage, 23 by, I believe, 32 square feet inside that garage. Nice covered porch as you enter the house. Very large front door, nicely done. As you walk into the house, look, dining room over to the left, hardwood floors. Go ahead and get that light on. There we go. Nice paint, different colors, high ceiling, hopped up to 11 foot in the dining room. Got crown molding all the way around here, up in the raised ceiling up there. You can see the nice colored hardwood floors as we go into the great room. Great room is, all the ceilings in the house are 10 foot. Now, in the great room, they go up to 12 foot. So, nice, majestic feeling there. As you walk around, you'll see from the great room, walk into the kitchen, okay? You have a breakfast nook here, family room over in the far right corner. Watch TV, right there with the kitchen, open kitchen, able to entertain your friends, family, and also if you were cooking, you know, be able to handle that without leaving the group.